What if I told you there's a wildcat that can leap higher than most humans and catch birds straight out of the sky? Meet the caracal, a sleek golden predator with jet black ear tufts that look like little antennas. But those aren't just for style. Scientists believe those tufts help caracals communicate silently across long grass, maybe even distracting prey during a hunt. These cats are built like ninjas, fast, flexible, and deadly. Living across African savannas, the Middle East, and parts of Asia, caracals are incredibly adaptable. Whether it's rocky mountains or dry desert, they thrive. But their most insane ability? A vertical leap of up to 10 feet. And they don't just jump for fun. They use that power to ambush birds mid-flight, sometimes catching more than one in a single jump. That's not hunting. That's precision airstrike. They're nocturnal too, meaning they do most of their stalking under moonlight, using stealth and sharp hearing to track every movement. And believe it or not, caracals were once trained by ancient Persian and Indian royals as hunting companions.